Hello, this is ZenoTech01 and in this video we are going to fix a blue screen of death with the stop code APC index mismatch. And this problem happens when you try to use your printer in Windows 10. Let's fix this today. So to fix that you have to follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is go to the start menu, just click on that, then click settings. And once you are in settings, click update and security. And once you are in update and security, go to view update history. This is it. View update history. And then you go to install updates. As you can see here, I already tried to install it, so I made it ready for you because once you try to install it, it takes several minutes, and for this tutorial I have it ready for you. So what you're gonna look for is search for security update for Microsoft Windows key B5802. So once you find that, you click in install. And then it will take several minutes to finish. Then once it finishes, you probably should click restart now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I think that fixes your problem with the printer on Windows 10, and I wish Microsoft fixed this problem of this update soon. And if you have any other Windows 10 related problems, please check out my other videos in my channel because I've fixed many Windows 10 problems. And in the future, if you want to prevent facing any more problems, make sure to stick around and subscribe to my channel to see the videos that you desire about Windows 10. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.